Activision Blizzard shares have been on a tear lately. The stock outperforming the S&P 500 and gaining more than 35% year-to-date. Options traders betting on some more upside from here. So says John Najarian, who has unusual for us today. Hey, John.
Exactly, Scott. Activision, the 85 calls. These are the July 85 calls, very actively accumulated. These 12,000 and then 15,000. That's 1.5 million share equivalent. I got to follow that, Scott. I'm in those. They only were paying 75 cents with the stock at 81 bucks. Second trade, HUYA, which kind of sounds like something the SEALs or the Marines would shout, but HUYA, H-U-Y-A, they're buying this week expiration, Scott, July 27 calls. I bought those. That's probably only a 2 or 3 day hold, however. And then I've got to tell you, Scott, as far as an update, TENET, I'm kicking myself because yesterday I punted it, meaning I closed it out at a loss. Today, the stock jumps big. So I was a day early, and I wish I wouldn't have done that trade.
Yeah.
But DRAFTKINGs, one that we brought to you last Thursday, this one was $33 at the time, jumped all the way up through $37 today, and the call's moving up nicely.
Get caught off sides every now and then, not too often, though.
Oh, yeah. Every once in a while, you get that itchy trigger finger, and that's what happens.